Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you the best TikTok ad strategy that usually gives the best conversions, and essentially it costs you very little in comparison with the regular ads that you could run on TikTok. We all know ad campaigns could be very expensive, especially if you try to reach a high ticket item customers. Okay, so let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you how you can run your ads on a budget and make very good money if you really know exactly what you're doing and you have the right product in front of the right audience. So first thing what I want you to do is to create a small piece of content that will promote your product. Okay, so the creative that usually you're going to get from someone on Fiverr or you're going to create on yourself, okay, has to be published over here. So first you want to publish your video as usual, post on TikTok with all the hashtags and all the information. Then when the video is published, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right corner, the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on creator tools. Now over here there's a section that is called promote. You want to click on the section promote with the small fire icon. Over here you can select the same video that you just posted with your product, okay, with the link, with everything included, so you will be able essentially to sell your product from a TikTok shop, a video that you published that is promoting the product or explaining the product. You can promote the video from here, and guess what, you can get over 1,000 views for only $5.74. Just think about how actually cheap would that be for you to essentially garner these views. So the most popular over here is $11.48. That is over 2,000 views. And if you really want to go big, for the first time, you can go for $138 and you can get over 24,000 views. So think about it, right? If you have like a product that is like around $100, drop shipping strategy or whatever, think about it. You're going to pay 137, 138, and then you're going to get over 24,000 views. Think about the potential conversion in this 24,000 plus views, right? So it's very interesting and it's relatively cheap. Or you can simply do the first, the basic 1,000 views, and just to test and see how it goes. But this is how simple it is to have the best and, in my opinion, the highest possibility of having conversion with these prices. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.